Hello guys, so today we're gonna use this plastic container they have in Dollar Tree and this head massagers. I'm gonna go ahead and put some a little bit of hot glue at the top and then attach the container right on top like that. Then flip it around and we're gonna place more hot glue all the way around it to attach it into place just for better attachment. Then go ahead and spray paint it in gold. Then I'm gonna take this floral foam, attach it with hot glue right in the middle, just like that. Then go ahead and grab branches and place it right inside there. So then just go ahead and grab more greenery and place it all the way around it. Once you do that, then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some flour and place it inside as well. Make sure to grab like this little stick, place it in the flour, and then just go ahead and fill out the whole thing, the bucket with flowers. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is so cute for any party decorations that you guys are doing or any party theme. I think it will look great for a baby shower or something like that, or a birthday party. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY. Let's not forget to share, comment, and like and let me comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching. We're gonna grab one of these little boxes from Dollar Tree, like a birthday box. We're gonna go ahead and take the top out. Then we're gonna take this stick. It's like the one that you use for the barbecue stick, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue to the pointing sides, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach it inside the box like that. So we're gonna continue attaching another one in the other side. So just go ahead and continue to do the whole thing all the way around it like this. Then after you do that, you're gonna take the box and place it inside there, but just don't leave it as that. If you wanted to hold it into place, just put the hot glue around the stick all the way around, and then put the box to attach it into place like that. Then after you attach it, just go ahead and spray paint it in gold, whatever color you guys are doing. I'm gonna take this floral foam and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom part, and then I'm gonna place it inside. You could also just place the floral foam first and then put the stick. Then go ahead and grab your branches and you're going to place it inside like that. Just place a few just to although so it could be like all the way around it. Then grab your flower, take a stick and place it inside as well like that. So you're gonna put a few flowers all the way around, so you do the whole thing around. Then after you do the whole thing around, we're going to grab the flower. We're going to grab one of those little stick that we used before and place it inside. Then just cut it to place it to the size of whatever you want to attach it. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is like a simple for birthday decorations DIY. But another way that you guys can do it, I'm going to take this balloon holder, the top of the balloon holder. I'm just going to go ahead and place the balloon and then attach it into place like that. Then after you attach, I'm going to take this a piece of floor foam. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue just to attach it into place. Then just go ahead and attach it on top like that. Once you do that, we're going to take the balloon, and you can also put a little bit of hot glue in here and then just place it inside just to attach it like that. Then after that, we're gonna put some flour around it because you don't want that part to show, so you're just gonna go ahead and cover it up. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is how it turns out with the pink balloon, which I think it looks super cute. This could be for any party decorations as well. And this is the white one, how it turns out. Thanks again for watching Special Creations Family, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.